All right, back we go. It is Wednesday, March 29th. The month is flying by. I did a TikTok earlier and a little short um, on YouTube. What I played today it was a quick play today. I didn't have time to stay around. So going back to SQQQ, big gap down. And this was basically 4:05 in the morning, pre-market. This came down this 32.75 line. Hit a low here about looks like 32.60, then really washed down here. The market got really strong, and these bearish ETFs were getting clobbered very early, about 9 a.m. on. Took a little bit of a move here long on this. Right at 32, I took a shot. Wasn't the best play. Saw this line hit right at 32, how it bounced right off it. And where did this, let's see, open at 32.14. So, yeah, I was going to let it move here. There's nothing back here. You got to go back really to the 27. But I was giving it a little room here. Probably will let it come down maybe, like 15 cents, 17, see what happens. If there's, it might even come down more than a bigger move up. I took a shot here. It wasn't huge. Looking for, some lines here. A quarter, got to that 50-cent line. So I'm trying to at least make 50 cents on some of these small moves. And I got basically about 50 cents here, 32. You can see right up here, 32.50. Little recovery here. Nice V recovery. Almost back to the top. Didn't reach. So that was a quick move. It was about 390 I made on it. So not bad for a quick little move. That was about an hour. Then this came back down, dropped again. The bulls really were strong today. Bounced here, tried to get over 32.25, never happened, and washed down further. So, small moves. Some days, you don't have to take many trades. It depends how you feel. If you got to do things, just look for a little move. That's all you need to make, a few hundred, 300, 400, whatever you're trading. Now, going back, the reverse of this is TQQQ. And this would have been a better long right off the start. But I was looking at SQQQ and this bounced nice, 25.50 all the way to 26. And this came back. That's where that move was on SQQQ. And what was the low here? About 25.57. Then this bounced all the way to 26. Came back down here, went near 25.75. And then came back up here. And if you draw a line right here, this is an ascending triangle. So I'll draw it for you. So as the day moves on, if you're doing this all day, you can see the lines right here and draw a line right here, pretty much. And this is basically, excuse me, ascending trial breakout. So ascending trial breakout, usually they're 5-point moves, but it's never like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's pretty close, but came here to 26 and came back down. Okay, now you have a line drawn. Unless this went further, you start drawing lines. Came back up, didn't break it again. Came back up. That was a big fake out. Probably got a lot of longs caught. 26 came back down again. But you see the low is getting higher each time. And here's the top, the triple top, and they broke on the fourth time. This is where on TikTok, I made a quick call on this. I saw it. It was moving about 26.85 or 80, I said, and it went back up. That would have been a nice 60, what's that, 50, about 50 plus cent move, another 50-cent move. So if you caught that, it would have been a great little long there. So on this, you could call one move, two move, either this, short this, or SQQQ. Three, maybe right here is like 3.5, a small move, 4. So it's basically about 4 moves here. You could have made money. So, NASDAQ's been very strong. The Dow was up 323 today, NASDAQ 210, S&P 56. So, that's the move. So I love these moves. You look at the daily chart too, like I said, going back when this reached all-time high of, where is it at? 91.68. Look where we're at now, 26. That's a long way to go to get back to the high. Now we have an established high. Looks like a pyramid, front side, back side. This is a long ways to get back here. That's going to be tremendous volatility back and forth. We go up. So it's great trading these now. This is great. And you can see on the way up, it wasn't that many big moves. There's a drop here. You're looking for to get in, buying a dip. That's all that was from COVID to basically 2022 is buy the dip. Everyone was waiting for, oh, it's going to drop, it's going to drop. It never did. A few dips here, a few pretty good moves down. And you can see it, and then it went right back up. And that was when the Ukraine-Russia war happened, and everything else started to happen, and we came back down. And big volatility, you can see here. Big moves March, June, July, and Nasdaq was going flat for a while. January was in a nice move up. So ever since January, this has pretty much been moving ever so slowly, 16 to 26. It's not like a breakout where it's, probably breakout would be like 30, 40 by now. We'll see what happens on this. And again, each day you're providing great moves. Penny stocks have been hampered a little bit. You can still make moves, money on that too. If you're playing penny stocks, there's a lot of moves out here to be had. Swing trading. Look at my cuck swing trade call. So here's my cuck swing trade call. I called this about 8-ish or a little above. Fake out candle here. Now here's another thing I do. A lot of secrets people don't know. So you draw a line here, stochastics. This is a wave down. See this wave? You draw your line right here, and look at that. So it's basically coming like a triangle. It's going to break over that line. And look what happened. Right here, it broke above. So just like this on this move here. Now it's going to go back to these, extended moves. We'll see. So my call basically in here was, 775, 8. And the stop was down here, so it's looking very good. We're at 887 right now. It's still room to run up to that 80 to 100 mark. All right, so that's it. Little recap here. Please subscribe to Mike Came In Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out my links below. I think I got to update them. And I'm on TikTok right now. Mike Came In Trades. Thank you. Peace.